Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom notification sound in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to set custom notifications, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Play Store and here just go for search and search for this. Just search for this one. And here you must have to install this app. Just install that and it will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for its installation, then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to make a simple setup. First set select, agree and continue, and then allow notifications. From here you just have to select ringtones and then select notification sounds. And here you just have to look for any sound which you like, just select that. As I'm going to select, let's say this one, just tap on it, and here just tap on the download icon, then tap on set notification, and here you just have to enable that toggle, then go back, and here you can see notification sound has been updated. So in this way you can easily set custom notification sound in Samsung A36 or J56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.